Hi all, welcome to Star Collections. This is Valli. I'm happy to see you all again with exciting, colorful Aari hand embroidery work designs in today's episode. Starting off with the vibrant red color, mix work with resham, katori, cut beads and clipstones. This is for the back neck. We have designed it with a high boat neck pattern. This portion is being designed for the front neck. We have designed it with a simple and matching elegant work for short sleeves. We have these designs readily available in few more colors. This one is forest green and this peacock blue and this is violet and it's caramel brown. Design number 2, it's another mixed work with resham, jari, jardoshi and cut beads. It has a very pretty neckline with florals and creepers. It has rangoli motifs all over the body. This is for a U-neck. This is proposed for the front neck. I have this design in this big rangoli motif in single wine color. The other 4 colors has a small floral buttas. One in royal blue. Another one is a double color, purple and greenish with floral buttas. Leaf green with floral buttas as well. It's a dark orange. Design number 3, we have designed it in pot neck with a mixed variety of beads, clipstones, jardoshis, kundans with buttas all over the body. This is how the front neck looks like with the simple buttas and borderline for the sleeves. We have this design readily available in bright blue, lavender. Design number 4, the work is being done in a dark purple color, square plus V back neck. It's a mix of mirror and beads work. This is how the front neck looks with buttas for the sleeves. We have the same design readily available in dark peach, in turquoise, in lemon yellow, pastel pink. Design number 5, it's another unique shape of pot neck. We have given square buttas all over the body and in the neck bed. This is how the front neck looks. And this is how the sleeve looks like. We have the same design in pretty mango yellow, in magenta pink, copper sulphate blue, in dark rani pink. Design number 6, we have done the design in a leaf neck pattern with a mix of beads, jardoshi, mirror. This is how the front neck looks and the sleeves looks like this. We have the same design in very light lavender color, in dark mustard, in pastel green and in double shaded bluish purple. Design number 7, this work has been done in a grey color with U-neck. We have used jardoshi, beads, stones and chains all over the design. This is how the front neck looks. This is how the sleeve looks. We have the same design readily available in metallic brown, in two-tone peach, parrot green, crimson yellow. Design number 8, it's a dark navy blue color. We have designed it in square neck with jardoshi rose work plus checks around the neck bed. This is how the front neck looks and the sleeves with a pretty rose floral butta. We have these designs readily available in henna green, flame orange, creamy white and in mint green. All these designs that we went through today are being designed in our Star Collections Aari Embroidery Unit and they are being done in pure silk cotton material. They can be stitched to your measurements within a day. If you like any of the designs in it, please do a screenshot and send it to me at my mobile number mentioned below. We can get it stitched to your perfect size and send it to you through courier. These designs can be repeated in any of your saree blouses in any color combinations according to your saree matching. We have been doing many bridal blouses for our customers. If you are in need of any customization for your bridal attires, please do contact us. Thanks for watching our video all this while. Hope to see you with more exciting collections in the next episode.